Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today we'll see another PySpark video. Okay, so here we'll see how to convert PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame. Okay, so Panda is a fully Python thing. Okay, data science and data analyst people used to use it for the data cleansing purpose, data processing purpose. Okay, so our end user is data science and data uh, analyst people. Okay, so in data engineering field, our end user will be data science and data analyst people, as I told. So they used to use this Panda thing. Okay, so that's why we also need to understand so how to convert PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame. So that thing also many times you will face this challenge that we need to convert to our data frame to Pandas data frame for doing some kind of operation. Okay, performing some kind of operation. So for that thing we need to understand how to convert it. So without wasting time, let's go to our notebook. So first what we will do, we will create one data frame in PySpark. So I have already told you how to create one data frame. So df equals to, so I have data and schema. Df equals to spark dot create data frame, then data, then schema. Okay, so now I'll show it. Df dot show. So in this way my data frame will be created. So I have already explained these things in my PySpark and Databricks series videos, how to create data frame and all the PySpark and Databricks important functions I have already explained in my channel CognitiveCoders. So please go and view these things. Okay, so coming back to our today's agenda. So this thing is already running. Okay, now data frame is created. So if I want to show this data frame type, print, I'll do type of data frame. Okay, sorry. So you can see it's a PySpark data frame. Okay, so now I need to convert this PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame. So there is a function in PySpark. PySpark used to provide us to convert this to Pandas data frame. It is to Panda. Okay, so we'll convert it with that. So df panda, okay, equals to df dot to pandas. Okay, then do the bracket, then df panda dot show. Okay, so we will get one error, you can see. So why this error is giving? Because the data frame which we have created, the df, it is already converted to pandas and it is stored to df panda variable. So now if I will use df panda dot show, then it can't able to show, because data frame object whichever it is converted to pandas data frame, it doesn't have any attribute show. So in pandas show function we can't use. So here in it's not like a databricks thing. Okay, in databricks data frame can be shown using the show function, but here using the show function we can't show the pandas data frame. So for this I can use display df display sorry panda. Okay, you can see my data frame is here. Okay. So if I want to check the data frame from here, type df panda, you can see it's the panda class data. So now we can perform the pandas operation on this data frame. Okay, so this is the thing. I think you have understood the concept, how to convert the data frame to pandas, and how to understand that it has converted or not. Okay, you can also print your data frame using the print function here. Okay, but in Databricks you can't use print function to print your data frame. Okay, it will give you only the column name. Okay, so in Pandas, as it is a Python function, you can get it. Okay, so this is the thing. I think you have understood the concept. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. Please support us. Without your support we can't reach to the people who wants to learn the Databricks things, because all the videos are free of cost. Okay, I have already uploaded 80 videos, which is really required for the who is aspiring for the data engineering role and the PySpark developer role. Okay, so I'm continuously uploading the interview videos, also interview asked question, real time scenario, and also the PySpark database functional thing, whatever function you need to learn, what is required to be a data engineer, the basic requirements. Okay, that thing I'm already explaining. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so if you have any kind of queries. Okay, so all the link has given to the video description. You can go and check that. Okay, so thank you. Please support us. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.